So we're going to do page 2 and 3 together because they actually mirror each other, and we're just doing vertical pockets. So these are the page maps for here. Page 2 and your hinge will be there, and page 3 your hinge will be here. So basically we've got vertical pockets, so you have a pocket there, and a decorative strip there, pocket there, decorative strip there. Okay, so we'll just take that off and then I'll show you how it actually works. And you're also going to be using your paper economically this time, so you'll see how you can get away with using less paper than you think you need. Okay, so we'll look at page 2. So with my black card cut, I'm just going to lay it down as pockets like that. This will go here as my base page. That will be my first pocket that I lay. Okay, now I want this decorative paper to be on it, so I'll put it to that edge, but you'll see that that's exposed. But don't worry, because your next pocket that goes on top is going to fit on there like that, and on there like that. And then for a bit of interest, just put your decorative strip on the edge here, and then pop that one there like that, and you'll repeat exactly the same on the other side. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to put each page together as I go. Okay, so we'll start with this one. And I've cut it, I've inked around the edges, and we're just going to go and stick this in. And I'm not going right to the edge because I know I've got a bit of play with my decorative strip. Okay, so that will be my next pocket. Actually, I can move it out. That'll be my next pocket here. But obviously, if this piece of paper wasn't wide enough and you wanted to put more on, put a narrow piece and then just have a wider decorative strip, so you've always got space to fill in the holes, as it were. Right, so that's that one there. So this is going to be a pocket, which is going to slot into there. So I'm going to put glue here, here and here. And again, if you're short with your cardstock, your pocket doesn't actually have to stick down to there. As long as it's going to be covered by that, you could have a shorter pocket so it doesn't go all the way in. So that's that there. And I'm going to take this piece, and pop that on the edge there, but not right on the very edge, because obviously you want a little black border. So leave that on there like that. Glue, and then your next strip, make sure I've got the right way around. Yeah, okay. Again, this is going to be a pocket, so exactly the same principle, glue on 3 sides. Pop that one on there. And then this one on here. And then we'll do decorative strip. What we're doing with this album is actually learning principles of different pockets and simple layouts, so you can build on from there once you've got the confidence to have a go and do it yourself. And you can always email us, you can always give us a shout through the Facebook group. There's lots of people there to help as well. Pop that one on there. Just a bit of interest there. So that's page 2. And then we're going to carry on, do exactly the same for page 3. Right, so that's page 2 and 3 all stuck together. You can see they mirror each other. You've got your pocket there and your pocket there, pocket there, pocket there. And then look, you've also matched the paper. So beautiful paper matching too. On to page 4.